YouTube, what's good, man? You already know what the it is, man. You know it's your boy Michi back in the cut with another mother video, man. Man, I'm sorry for the technical difficulties about yesterday, man. My video, my day one Vlogmas video actually will also be up today. It'll actually be up before y'all are watching this one, so it'll kind of look like this is backwards, but no, just having some technical difficulties with that, and that is going to be fixed here very shortly. I had to go get my phone fixed again, y'all. Y'all are going to hear some more about that later. But man, just a chill little vlog day for y'all, man. Ain't nothing too special, ain't nothing too crazy or nothing today. You know, just out. Gotta go get some gas and shit right now. Might go get some food. Hit up somewhere with my brothers later, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know. Thank God that you alive today, man, because somebody didn't make it here today. Feel me? You'll just be grateful. Stay blessed. And yeah, man. Y'all gonna come through the day with us, man. Chillax. Because that's all we ever do, man. You feel me? But, yeah, man. Catch y'all back in a second. Vlog here for y'all. We got a little bit of gaming and shit, you feel me? Me and my brothers D on here, man. Say what's good to the crew, man. Yeah. Right now. Oh, hold the fuck up. Hey, you gonna be fucked up with this nigga. Okay, short. Hang on, nigga. I don't know why you here. Oh, hey, dumbass. Green nigga. Come on. Come on. Green bean. You know I'm good for the fucking green bean, Chuck. If I take that shit to round. Hey, Chuck. Take this shit to round. Gavin, split the D, nigga. This is a fucking hole, nigga. No. Big head. Come on. Hit me, nigga. Ah. Take that D. Hey, Charles. Hey, you got me jumping around in this bitch. I hear shit. Oh, get up, Gavin. Let's go. Hey, Shorty, you know I'm good for it. You know I'm good for it, nigga. Hey, nigga.
Just had to hop on here and show y'all what we was doing. Really a MukBanggg Mac up, nigga. Fine RKO your little ass. Back up. You the active puppy.
And for those who know, and for those who don't know, soul food is basically put your foot in that shit cooking, nigga. You hear me?
No. You don't take chill.
And that's exactly what they did in here. So,
Take chill.
you know what I'm saying? I'm ready to set this up for y'all and whatnot. And then, yeah, we gonna let y'all know what this shit hitting on, man. You feel me? Yeah, y'all. So, shoot. Ready to get this little soul food a slight review real quick. You hear me? Oh, damn, my iPad died. Sorry, shorty. I apologize. Gonna do a slight little review. You know I'm gonna call you that, you baby. Yeah, my boy gotta get down real quick, you hear me?
I ain't lying.
So I got some butterfly shrimp, or some coconut butterfly shrimp, and then I got some fries for my girl and shit.
I got everything.
And this nigga got everything.
Look, little nigga, you gonna listen to me, little nigga. You gonna back.
You want some of that shit? He said, nigga, give me.
That's your little ass up. You gonna back your little ass up for it.
He said, give me. Back up. He keep calling on your feet. Hey.
That shit is that shit is mine.
Man.
Shout out to me, man. Had to definitely put bro on.
Most definitely there.
Hey, you glad you came over this, huh?
Well, I definitely am.
Bro, say something for your girl so she can try that shit.
I'm already. This shit is too good, bro.
Alright, bro, you can come up here now.
I can't just crush it by myself.
You can come up.
That'd be rude to me.
What, little nigga?
Shit's too good, y'all.
Yeah, little nigga. You smell like puppy.
Hey, anybody that live near our area, I'm not even gonna drop the low actually, never mind.
But anybody that live near our area though,
anybody that know where we live at and you live near our area, bro. Soul food, nigga. That's not what it's called, but it's in Charlotte Hall and it's soul food, bro. Y'all just know.
So we have said Charlotte Hall.
So
we have said Charlotte Hall.
Nigga, Charlotte Hall big.
You try like right.
Fucking. Oh yeah, man. This shit is. Shit lovely right here. I'm gonna definitely be back here.
This one nigga stupid.
That shit was banging, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna say something for my girl. But we still gonna chat it up with y'all and shit, you feel me?
Nah, for real. Nigga stepped on my juice and shit.
He said, give me some, nigga.
Technical difficulties, dogs knocked down my camera and shit, but we back, you feel me?
He want that shit.
Shit don't stop, people do.
Hey, man, and they got, what's this, peach lemonade? One.
You gotta be, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, there's juice all in that joint. What the fuck?
I think I got some napkins in my car.
Nah, that's cool. I'm not even stressing. I'll get that shit tomorrow morning.
That shit gonna be fucking dried up, though. We sticky and shit.
It's called soup and water, man. But nah, though, man. We lit, man. I ain't gonna lie, though. No cap. This shit the one, bro. Like, when I say the one, I mean the one. I'm probably gonna
one.
I'm probably gonna go share some with my mom and shit. You know, I gotta look out for her, bro.
Like for example, like, as soon as you think of, like, as soon as you think you want some chicken or you want some, I don't know, some shrimp, you want some, I don't know, you want some motherfucking, I don't know, bro. Like, anything you could probably think of for real, like some good shit. You want some fish, you want whatever, bro.
You got my steak?
Take us, no, I'll give it back to you before we went in.
I think I'll drop that bitch. Probably in your car.
In my car?
Yeah, probably drop
No,
it.
I handed it to you like when I got out type shit.
Yeah.
Did I? Yeah.
Technical difficulties and shit.
I didn't, bro. That's my fault, bro.
No, you straight. I thought I lost.
I thought I could have swore I gave it back to you.
No, you straight. I'm glad you had the jump.
Like a little tank chilling, man. He want to get some food too, but he can't get now. He gonna get his food when we get to the crib.
Yo, stop.
He said, "Where that shrimp at, nigga? Where that shrimp at, nigga? I needs it. I needs it."
I like how you be nibbling and shit. Funny as shit. Get off me, bro. You sharp teeth.
Oh yeah. Well, as soon as you touch me, get the nibbling.
Bro, I'm glad we came here, bro.
Nah, for real, this shit's good, bro.
W vlog, man.
Hey,
let me know.
Yeah.
W vlog, y'all. Let me know something. For real, talk to me.
Yeah, man. Sure. And like I said, I'm dropping 2 videos today. This gonna be my second video. This gonna be 2 of 2 videos that's going up today, man. My video from yesterday still gotta go up. You know, I didn't forget about y'all yesterday, man. Just believe that. And best believe too, y'all gotta go check me out on TikTok tonight too, cause I'm fucking that shit up, man.
Hey, bro, we gotta do a TikTok.
Straight up. I'm fucking it up, straight up. And that does it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed, man. It wasn't too much, you know what I'm saying? We really gonna start getting into the active content very, very, very soon for y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned for that, man. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. I love y'all. Peace, love, and harmony, man. Out.
Shake, cause I'm bent on your head, my bitch count the cake. I'm outside with a stick, I ain't talking about rate.